Welcome back to the Fractal Video Shufflr training series. Today we're going to go over just some troubleshooting things. So there's not that many issues that you will run into when using the software. However, I do want to make sure that you are aware of anything that does happen. So just for starters, you will always be able to click Start Tour to see how to use the app. So there's a tour for the home screen as well as in the advanced editor. So if you click help, you can restart the guided tour and it'll walk you through how to use the editor. In addition to that, the other thing is inside of your settings, you'll be able to scroll down and then click on the install FFmpeg button. And so when you click on that, what that'll do is it'll open up the GitHub instructions. And so again, if you just go into your settings inside of Fractal Video Shufflr, scroll down and then click the install FFmpeg button, it will take you to the installation instructions. And so here, the important part that you're going to want is you'll must have FFmpeg. So if you're seeing any issues like spawn or any type of spawn issues, here on the website we have that here at the bottom as well. If you're seeing something like this, then just make sure that, again, go into settings, click install FFmpeg. It'll bring you here, and then if you're on Windows, you can follow this very helpful guide on how to install FFmpeg. And then if you're on Mac, it's much easier. All you have to do is click this button to copy, click Command space to open up your search, type in terminal, and then inside of the terminal just copy and then paste this line, and then copy and paste this line, and then just go back into the settings, and right above that install FFmpeg button, just make sure to check the box use system FFmpeg. And so that is how you would get past that issue. The only other thing that I would want to go over that you might run into that is a little odd, is a couple of these settings. So you definitely want to use reuse clips if you have a video that is only like 1 minute but you want it to be 10 minutes. So definitely want that to be on, otherwise you might not get the length that you want. So make sure that's on. Add motion to images. You can add this if you want your images to be moving. That's not really that much of a troubleshooting one. But yeah, if there is anything that's not working in the app itself, please leave a comment on any of my videos. Send me a message on X, or just click the submit ideas button here, and then you'll be able to send me a message. So from here, the only other thing that I want to go into is here inside of the advanced editor. So when you open up the advanced editor, there is the create with AI, and so you'll see that you're going to want your cookies connected. And so if you click this and it's not connected, then it'll open up this browser, and then you'll be able to connect your cookies. So you'll definitely want to make sure that's connected, otherwise you will get empty videos. So like this will not really produce anything. Everything will work, but you won't be able to see anything or export anything. So another way you can do it is go into find videos and click this little cookie icon. It'll open up the same window for you to connect your cookies, and it's just signing in, and that's all you got to do. Click download. That is all that I have. There is pretty much nothing else I can really think of that people have brought up that is an issue. That is pretty much everything. Again, if you have any questions, just make sure to leave them in the comments and I am happy to help. That's all I got for today. And if you like videos like this and are interested in YouTube faceless automation, make sure to subscribe and you'll learn all about it here on this channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.